Welcome back. I'm Coach Tina. Today I'm talking about the inverted row. It is one of my favorite back exercises. While I say back, it's actually full body. There's a heavy component of core. You are pulling your own weight, and it is one of the exercises I like as a complement as you're learning how to do the pull-up. So I'll go over the bar, how to use it in case you're at a gym, and then how to use it with a suspension trainer. Let's get started. The inverted row you would do either at the gym with a barbell, or if you have a barbell at home, or with a suspension trainer. I will show you both today. So you're going to set the bar at a height. If this is your first time, you're not going to go too low. As you get stronger and more comfortable in the exercise, you'll move the bar lower. And it's called an inverted row because you're upside down. So here's an example. My hands are about shoulder width apart as I grip it. You can do underhand or overhand, but we're going to do underhand for today. Underhand grip. I walk my feet out. My chest is still close to the bar, and then I will slowly release my arms so my arms are stick straight, right in front of me, direct line from my chest. And the mistake that often happens in this position is people relax their body, but I'm going to scoop my pelvis forward, and my butt cheeks are squeezing as if I was holding a crisp $100 bill between them. As you can see, my legs are stick straight. You can have your toes down, but I prefer to balance on my heels such as that. It helps me keep a nice plank position. My hands are gripping tightly on the bar. I'm not relaxing my shoulders. I'm lifting my chest towards the bar. So as you can see, I'm a nice straight line from head to heel. And then from here, I will use my arm muscles and my back to pull myself, my chest, to the bar. So the inverted row is pulling my chest to the bar. And when I do this, I can feel muscles here in my lats helping me. I can feel my arms working. So I'll show you from here. What it looks like is instead of just I'm gripping, but not relaxing, my shoulder blades are coming together as if I wanted to squeeze a pencil right there in the middle, and from that position, I pull my chest towards the bar. So it's important that my positioning is not relaxed, but driving, creating a long tension between the top of my head and my heel. Let me show you again. So my hands are about this distance apart, not too narrow because it'll be hard, not too wide because you have better leverage, and we're working our back muscles. So this is so just right outside your rib cage. My butt cheeks are squeezing together, holding that $100 bill. My shoulder blades are squeezing the pencil between them, and then I pull. So this is the inverted row. As you can feel, when you start it, this is very tight, shoulder blades are down and engaged. So as things get easier, you can always go a little bit lower. And you bring it down here, so you can see what it looks like. Let's see. So this is a more advanced level, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to be more down to the ground, but still keeping the heels out. And now when I pull up, it's harder if you don't have a barbell at home, but you do have a suspension trainer, TRX or whatever brand. They're called suspension trainers. This is how you can do the inverted row. So there's a little bit of instability because there's not a bar but two handles, and it's going to require a little bit more balance and core control. So the best way to do is I have it set. You're going to test out which level would work for you, and this is the easiest, safest way to test it out. So I'm going to walk back till my arms are straight, then I'm going to walk my feet, and the same position applies as with the barbell. My pelvis is scooped forward, my butt cheeks are tight as if holding that crisp $100 bill. My shoulders are not relaxed. They're the shoulder blades are pinching the pencil, holding the pencil with my shoulder blades. Arms are fully extended. From here, pulling, using my arms and lats to bring my chest to the handle. My core is tight, my legs are straight, and gently coming back down to that upside down plank position. So when you do the rows, the one thing to avoid is a little yank like that, because then you're not working the arm muscles the way you'd want to be. That's why we're doing the exercise. I'm pulling, but even here, I'm still pulling hard at the handle, and when I come down, there's still tension because my shoulder blades are holding that pencil. So you'll do reps like this, and it is harder than in some ways than with the barbell because your handles are shifting around. So I love this exercise for your core, for working your upper back, working your arms, and it is definitely a great supplement / complement as you're doing pull-up training. I hope this is helpful. If you got any questions, you know you can post it down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.